Can you see it? It's a little deer. It's a baby one. It looks like it has a little mark underneath its stomach. Look at him look at us. Aww. He's so cute. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. It looks like it got shot out here. So here's the RVs over on this side up here. They got some nice spots up there. Yeah. Here's another place we found as we were leaving the park. Look at this. George Hole Days area. Alcohol prohibited. Wow, look at the rocks. I'm saying wow a lot because it is beautiful. Yeah, I'm here. Here comes Callie. Oh, and there's Mason. I didn't even see Mason. He was behind your dad. Yeah.
Go down there.
Yeah, we are. Be careful you don't fall. No diving or jumping from rocks or a swing bridge. Swim at own risk. Oh, so they got a swing bridge here, or a swing bridge. Wow, look at that. There I go saying wow again. Jesus, look at the rocks, how it's got like in layers. Oh, they're fishing here too. Wow, look at that. Look at the holes. Oh, the water's clear. Wow, look at that. Yeah, look at how clear it is. Yeah. Look at the big cave over there, Dan. Wow. I keep saying wow. It's amazing. I've never, no, I just never, from Florida, you don't see stuff like this. And I haven't seen stuff like this since up north. So cool. Look at how high it is. Oh my God. Whoa, good job. Carefully, don't go too close.
Come on, guys.
Let me go over here. I don't know if I'll be able to get back up. It's pretty muddy. Remember that one falls we went to? We walked right up to it. That was awesome. Wow, look at that. Be careful. Let Daddy go first, Callie. And then be careful, Dan. We're at the bottom of the falls, guys. And there's that cave right there. That is so cool. he going in?
You might as well now. Not to find Dollar General.
Well, I gotta get a towel anyways. Ooh, is it cold, Mason? Be careful, okay? Sissy, you be careful too.
Don't slip, Sissy. Don't want you to get boo-boo. Very careful. Sissy, see? Very careful.
This is so cool, guys. Oh my God. Look at Mason in there. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna walk down here. You guys gotta check this out here. Someone left their shoes here. Look at that, somebody made. Oh, there's a little trail over here. We got people up here. Let me go this way. All these crazy rocks. Look at what somebody made over here. Look at the trail up here. Where's her shoes? Oh, okay. Oh, I just heard thunder. The water is so clear. It's warm. Yeah, look what somebody made. And then here's another one here. Let me move back here. There we go. Yeah, next time. Careful, Mason.
Crayfish in here?
Probably a lot.
There's a lot. You haven't seen one since I was a kid, have you?